Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and really simple to make cappuccino. These are the ingredients you're going to need to make your cappuccino, and the cup measurements are based on the cup you're using to drink the cappuccino. So first, brew your coffee and make sure it is strong, or you can use instant coffee like I mentioned. So first, take your milk and add in your sugar and mix it in, and I used powdered sugar so that it dissolves faster. Then microwave on high for 40 to 50 seconds or till it is steaming hot. And then blend it till it's frothy, and you can even use a standard blender for this, but I'm just using my handheld blender. So once that is frothy, you're going to add your coffee to your cup. Just fill it half the way. Then spoon over the foam from the milk. And pour in your hot milk. You can also pour your milk first and then spoon the foam over. Any way works just fine. And sprinkle over some cocoa powder just to make it look pretty. You can obviously skip this step. And then you have your delicious cappuccino, which is ready to serve and drink. I hope you liked this video, and do check out my channel for other videos as well, and subscribe to stay updated with my recipes. And do comment down below because I love reading your comments, and I would love any suggestions that you may have. I'll see you soon. Bye!